All right, I'm giving a quick demo of the Venbit AI voice agent and the voice mode today. And as you can see on this screen here, this is the actual agent itself, and it sits on your website. The sample we're going to be using today is my actual marketing agency, Venbit.com. A lot of this idea came from our needs of the clients and having something available 24/7 that was more than just your standard chatbot. This can do either voice mode or chat mode. And so if someone just on their phone, they just want to chat with it like ChatGPT or any other AI, they can chat with it, or they can do voice mode. And so when they do voice mode, you can actually talk to a website. And as long as the information that you've given it on the back end on venbit.ai, it will answer in the way that you want it to and how you've prompted it and the knowledge that it has. So I'm going to enter this, just do a quick sample, and then we'll go over to the venbit.ai website, and I'll show you actually what it looks like on the back end of what the actual agent provided. And then the email, if it collected information, what it sent. So here's the example.
Thank you for reaching out to Venbit. How can I assist you today?
What services do you provide?
Venbit offers a comprehensive suite of digital marketing and web design services, including custom website development, SEO, logo design.
Actually, I think I'm only interested in logo design services. Is this something you can do for a small business, or do you only do it for large corporations?
Venbit absolutely provides custom logo design services for small businesses, not just large corporations. We specialize in creating unique professional logos that can help your small business.
Actually, forget that. I don't need a logo. I just had one made from my buddy. Can you actually make us a website and then have it service and show up for various results, like say in, I don't know, maybe like the Seattle area?
Venbit can certainly build a website for you and implement SEO strategies to help you rank in the Seattle area. Our team specializes in creating high-performing websites that attract local customers. To discuss how we can help your business grow online, could you please share your name and email address?
My name is Tony, and my email address is tonyc@venbit.com.
Thanks, Tony. It's great to connect with you. We're excited to help you with your website and SEO needs to boost your visibility in the Seattle area. Could you also share your phone number?
No, thanks. I'm going to keep my phone number to myself.
We understand, Tony. We can still proceed with discussing your website and SEO needs.
So we just finished that, and that captured the lead. Talk to you, answer the questions, and any kind of unique edge case that you have. And when I go over to the actual Venbit.ai, as you scroll down, you can see here's your agent. And so on that one, we did this on the Venbit agent. And here it is in the test area with the knowledge base and goals. But if I go to my chat history, you can see the information that we just had with it and some of the other ones from previous conversations. So the customer inquired about the services provided by Venbit, blah, 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 Tony C, and website services in the Seattle area. And it sent me an email, which my Gmail just sent me a notification of this, and it went right to it, which is the one I set up for my goal. So here's the full conversation. And then you can look at this and determine if you like that or not. And you can go into your agent configurations and modify your prompt that you have. You can change all your different settings on it. You can change how it looks to match your brand. Among with many other settings that you can do. And so when you add all this information to it, on mine, all I did was have it scrape venbit.com. It has just these pages in it, and it's answering questions on your behalf with that custom prompt I wrote. So this agent probably took me maybe 10 minutes to make. I really have not optimized it that much. And look how good it represented my company. And so I set the goal up of just trying to get the phone name and email address. And as you can see on that one, it did, and it got my name, email address, and I didn't want to get my phone number, so it didn't do that, but it still responded nicely because I told it to be a polite agent. So in our view, these agents are going to be the future of websites and maybe actually the entire value of a website. The days of going on to a website and just typing in and clicking through it to find the information had its day, and it still has its purpose because not everyone will use agents right now. It's definitely significantly growing, and some of the numbers we see on the back end do show that agents are getting a lot more use as time goes on with AI being more adopted. But if your website does not have this, I'm almost wondering if there's going to be a competitive advantage to those that do have it, because you can get right to the point and say, hey, what services do you offer? This is my unique scenario. And if you get an answer this quick and the agent is able to give you that quick of an answer that's correct, you're going to have that lead better than other people will be, or you'll be able to help with customer support, among many other tasks. So this is just an example on what the agent does and how it looks and what it does when it's actually on a website. We'll go into further ones later on with like customer support and other use cases as well. So hope you enjoyed this, and more videos to come on what we provide and what we can offer. And if you are interested in getting a agent on your website, just go to venbit.ai, make a free account, and you can actually set it up. It's probably one of the easiest user interfaces you can make, and you can actually share it, so you can test it out before you put it on your website, or you can just test it on the Site Agent Live view, fine tune it, and then put it on your website, and you have an agent actually working on your behalf 24/7 going forward. So if you have any questions, reach out, sign up. We will get you a free trial, and then we can actually even help you set it up, because we're trying to get this on as many websites as we can and trying to get as much feedback as we can, because we think this is the future of websites, and I'd love to get this into people's hands a bit more. Well, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.